Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full review of the Spendee budget app in 2025. If you're looking for a smart way to manage your personal finances and stick to a budget, this app might be what you need. Or not. Let's break it down. Spendee is a personal finance and budgeting app that helps you track your spending, categorize expenses, and set clear budgets across multiple wallets. Whether you're managing a single income, family finances, or even joint budgets with a partner, Spendee is built to give you a visual and organized overview of your money. One of the first things you'll notice is its clean and user-friendly interface. The dashboard shows your income, expenses, and balance in real time with colorful pie charts and graphs. You can create multiple wallets, like one for personal spending, another for bills, and one for travel, and set custom budgets in each. Great feature is the ability to connect your bank accounts and credit cards for automatic transaction syncing. This saves you from manually entering every expense, and it makes tracking way more accurate. Spendee supports banks in many countries, and if yours isn't on the list, you can still manually add transactions. Budgeting is super flexible in Spendee. You can set monthly or custom duration budgets by category, like groceries, shopping, entertainment, and the app will alert you as you approach or exceed your limits. It's a great way to stay on track and curb overspending. If you're a visual person, Spendee shines in this area. The app uses bold visuals, graphs, and summaries that help you understand where your money goes. Whether you're trying to save more, reduce debt, or just become more mindful of spending, the insights are useful and easy to digest. Now let's talk pricing. Spendee has a free plan that includes manual expense tracking and budgeting, which works fine if you're okay entering data yourself. But to unlock features like automatic bank syncing, multiple wallets, and shared budgets, you'll need to upgrade to Spendee Plus or Premium. Prices range from around $15 to $30 per year. Depending on the plan, which is fairly affordable compared to some competitors. So, is Spendee worth it in 2025? If you're someone who values simplicity, visuals, and flexible budgeting tools, then yes, it's a great pick. It's especially good for couples or families who want to manage shared finances in one place. However, if you're looking for advanced investment tracking, credit score monitoring, or in-depth financial coaching, Spendee might be too basic. That's our review of the Spendee budget app. Let me know in the comments if you've used it, or if you're considering trying it out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.